Okay, so this video I'm going to show you how to use the Gua Sha for your neck. So this really ties into headaches, but also just if you've got stiffness in your neck, especially if you work at a computer a lot, if you get eye strain, tension headaches, and this is going to be really helpful for you. So you've got your Gua Sha stone. Apply a little bit of oil just to the back of your neck, just up to the hairline, a little around the neck, and around the front of the neck like that, just enough so that your Gua Sha can glide. Okay, so we're going to start with the back of the neck, and using, show you the right bit, using this curved edge here, I'm holding my Gua Sha like that. And what I'm going to be doing is sort of working up into the occipital ridge, which is the ridge where your skull meets your neck. So you're going to be working up into the ridge with this sort of movement, because there's loads and loads of acupressure points along that ridge, and it's perfect for releasing tension around the skull, around the scalp, and through the neck as well. So yeah, this is like a hotspot area, really good to work. So I'm going to turn around so that you can see what I'm doing. So using the edge of the Gua Sha stone and just using this rubbing motion, and you can actually be quite firm in this area, so always start a little bit lighter, and so you've got used to using the tool and what it feels like, but you can use a bit more pressure here. So working from, don't go quite on the spine itself, so just avoid the center, but working along that ridge with your stone. I'm just working outwards towards the ear, moving back. Okay, so you do that on both sides. I'm just going to show you one side to give you an idea. And right up to the back of the ear, if you use your fingers, go right into the crease of the back of your ear, and then want you to come backwards towards the back of your neck, and you'll sort of drop off this like speed bump, and then into the ditch, into a sort of hollow. So behind your ear, just let your fingers drag backwards towards the back of your head, and then you'll sort of find a hollow area. This is a really good area to treat. So using the sort of pointier end in gentle little circles, I'm going to work that hollow area. This is also really relaxing here, so you can just take some deep breaths and take your time. So for the purposes of the video, I'm going to move on, but you can do that for a couple of minutes if you like. So we're going to come around to treating the front of the neck now, the side of the neck. I'm just going to open this up a bit. So we'll always avoid the very front here. This is just too delicate to work on. And we're going to use this nice long side of your Gua Sha stone this time. So working from under the ear, under the jaw, we're just going to lightly come down to your collarbone. You'll sort of, that kind of acts as a stopper. Nice gentle pressure. You can pin the skin around your jaw to stop from stretching too much. And what you really are trying to work on here is a muscle which is a real mouthful called the sternocleidomastoid. And that is this muscle here. If I turn, you'll see it. You can grab it. So if you want to locate that yourself on either side, the side that you want to find it on, look in the opposite direction. You'll see it pop out at the bottom here. You can use your thumb and finger to hold it, to squeeze it. These are usually really tight on everyone. They're very hard to treat, but this is what you're working on. So working from under the ear, under the jaw, and down. Down to the collarbone. So that's what you're working on. If you want as well, just to add a little extra dynamic, you can look up diagonally as you bring it down to get a bit more of a stretch. So if you wanted to stretch the side of your neck, you do that. So you just do that at the same time as you bring the Gua Sha down. So it's a bit like patting your head, rubbing your stomach. Is that the way around? You know what I mean? It's a coordination thing, but have a go. And again, do both sides. So this will really help to loosen up the neck, also really good for headaches. So yeah, have a go at that. I will also be doing a partnered tutorial to show you how to work on the shoulders in a really easy way. So check that one out as well.